So, yung next naman po, na gagamitin natin sa statistic calculator is the Pearson correlation coefficient calculator. So, click lang po natin siya. So, ayan. The Pearson correlation coefficient is used to measure the strength of linear association between two variables where the value r is equal to 1 means a perfect positive correlation and the value r equals negative 1 means a perfect negative correlation. So, for example, you could use this test to find out whether people's height and weight are correlated. There will be taller people are the heavier they're likely to be. Requirements for Pearson correlation coefficient scale of measurement should be interval or ratio. Variables should be approximately normally distributed. The association should be linear, and there should be no outliers in the data. So this is the equation and the formula. Then take me to the calculation. Click lang po natin yun and nantayin po natin. So ayan po, Pearson correlation coefficient measure the strength. So, parang katulad na po na sinabi kanina. Same lang po siya. We look to the relation between height and size. So, ayan, may example po siya dyan. Kung paano gamitin yung Pearson correlation coefficient. So, when you data in place and you're ready to do the calculation, just hit the calculate R button and then calculator will run various tests on your data. So, may direction din po sa dyan. Instruction kung paano gamitin po itong Pearson correlation coefficient calculator. So, the best po talaga itong website na to. So, meron po tayong X values and Y values. Then, so, enter lang po natin yung data po natin. Tulad ng po ng 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 8, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9. Four, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 7, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. So, sa X values naman po, meron tayong 10, 9, 4, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 10, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 10, then enter lang po natin yung calculate R para lumabas po yung resulta. Mag-antay lang po tayo. Then, ito na po. The value of R is 0.0455. So, yun po yung nakuha nating Pearson correlation. Then, explanation for this. As you have probably already noticed, the output of this calculator is verbose, although most of the information provided below is self-explanatory. There are a few things worth nothing. First, the 5 text boxes spread across the middle of the page represent the calculation that would be required if you were to calculate the R value in a stage. Second, there is more than one way to calculate the R value, but these are all mathematically equivalent, so you should not worry if you don't recognize the equation used here. Third, in the result details and calculation box, you'll find what we call gross check value, which is the R value calculated using the algorithm supplied by the meta numbers statistical library. This could be identical to the value that we calculated. Note, if you want to calculate p-value from your R score, we have a calculator here. Before clicking, remember to note your score and record calculation. So, yan. So, meron din po tayo ditong graph. So, yan po yung kanina, yung na-input nating data. So, meron po rin ditong key, which is yung x and y is the values. So, ito po yung mga naging resulta sa x minus mx and y. So, my. So, mx natin 7.143. My is 6.429. So, yung sum na nakuha natin sa x minus m sub x squared is 116.266. So, ito yung key values natin kung how to read yung nasa taas po doon. Means of x values, mean of values, then deviation score and deviation squared, and my product of deviation score. So, kung mapapansin nyo po dito sa result details and calculation, x values, sum to 50, mean 7.13, and the deviation squared sa x values is 116.286. So, ganun sa y values naman, meron tayong sum na 225, mean na 6.429, then division squared is 142.571. Y and x and y combined. So, yung number of respondents natin is 35. So, yun, pinag-combine siya. Meron tayong nakuha ng 5.857. So, the R calculation, so, yung may formula dyan. Then, input lang natin yung mga batay sa mga nakuha natin base sa formula. Then, the meta-numeric cross-check is R is equal, ayan, R is equal to 0.0455. Then the value of R is 0.0455. Although technically a positive correlation, the relationship between your variables is weak. So yung level of correlation na nakuha natin is weak. Nearer the value is to 0, the weaker the relationship. So, yun. So, the value of R squared, the coefficient of determination, is 0.0021. So, napaka-detailed po talaga nitong website na to na tinatawag na Social Science Statistic or pag-search sa oxystudies.com.